Welcome back to the Advanced Object Oriented Programming ITSC 408. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to read the record. Okay, as you know that we are working with the CRUD operation, and this video is prepared to show how to read the record from the database table. So I'm going to use the same project which we used previously, and we are going to add the new methods. Now let me go to the DAO. Okay, so I will introduce a new method for selecting the record. Okay, so reading record in the sense I will focus on reading the entire table. So it is a list of value. The list of value is a student record. So I will say like this, student list only, and then I say show list, for example, show students. This is up to us, the method. And as like previous, what we did the same, I will copy the same and I will paste here. Okay, and it has to return the value. We will modify it. Okay, it will be returning the value, and to assign the value, okay, I am going to create the list value, the same, in which I am going to create the object. So copy, paste, one list value I say, that is nothing but a new array list. Okay, array list I make. Once it is done, okay, only the middle part. So we are beginning the transaction, committing the transaction, any error is there, in exception handling we are roll back. In middle only we are going to change the things. What is that? We have to assign the list value. What is it? We are going to fix the criteria for searching it. So create criteria for what? Student.class file. So student.class file show list of values. I am showing the list of value here. Of course, if we want to filter the value, we have to make the different criterias. And finally, we have to return the value. Return, what is it? List, what we gathered. So list what we gathered here, we are returning here. So show list is going to show the list of values. Our DAO method is ready. Now what we have to do is, we have to call this method. We have to call this method in the controller. So we need this object. The array list is needed. I will copy this one because we have to create the object for this one to assign the value. So because I am going to, previous one was only student, now list of students. Okay, for that only I am copy pasted, I create a new variable. If you had new object or variable, immediately what you have to do, we have to insert getter setter method. So insert code getter setter and our list value with getter setter method. Now in the getter, whenever the value is obtained, what I am going to do is I will call my DAO. And in this I am going to return the value. What is that? D dot whatever the method created, show list. Show list method is returning a list of students. As you can see here, show list is showing list of students. So I am just returning the method here. So method returning is a student list. So it is assigned. The controller is prepared, controller is ready. Now this method should be connected to our program to show the value. To show the value, I am going to the design. In the design, what I will do is I will insert another form. I will go to insert another form. In this form, I am going to create a data table. So data table will show the record value easily. So what I will do is I will use data table. Okay, in this I am going to say the value. What is our value? I am going to call the controller method student.list. Get list method is returning here. The list of students are coming here. Now we have to assign the variable. So it can be any variable. For example, I say O, and if you want any border or anything, we can say border. It's up to us. For the table border, I say 1. Now inside the table, data table, I am going to have column. So H column, I prepare the column. So we can prepare many column. We need 3 column. Inside the column, we will call facet tag, in which we can assign the name as a header. So So header should be all small like this, and the header can be closed with, we can state whatever the name that you want. For example, I say civil ID. Okay, and inside the every header, what will be the value that you want? Now I am going to say the value that I want to show for all is from our object O. What we declared here in this, what we declared in this is connected to our student list only. So O dot, we have the list of value with 3 items, civil ID. The same way I will copy paste and I will make for another column, another 2 column. Okay, now I will say the header is for this is for name, and this is for name to show the value. This is header, this below is a value. Header is phone number, and the value is object dot phone number. I hope we connected. We can run and fill the answer. So we have 2 records in the database already we inserted in the previous example, and now I am expecting those 2 records here as it's going to be listed in the data table. Yes, it's connected, it's showing our value. If we are going to insert another record, yes, of course it will come. Okay, right? I will say, for example, 333. I'm going to say some number. Okay, how many are there? 3, 4, 4. Okay, yes, it's added. So in this way you can add any number of records and you can able to retrieve those records. And in the next video I will be showing how to update and delete the records. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.